We have finally gotten to Unit 5, which is the last unit under Economic Growth and Development. The topic for today is the North-South Divide. The North-South Divide refers to the gap between developed countries and developing countries. Developed countries are mainly found in the Northern Hemisphere while developing countries are mainly found in the Southern Hemisphere. There is a gap between rich and poor countries. The North, with 1/4 of the world population, controls 4/5 of the income earned anywhere in the world. 90% of the manufacturing industries are owned by and located in the North. Inversely, the South, with 3/4 of the world population, has access to 1/5 of the world income. Let me break down the gap that exists between the North and the South. If 1/4 gets 4/5 and 3/4 get 1/5, it's like sharing 1 million rands to 100 people. From the 1 million rands, you give 800,000 rands to 25 people from the North and 200,000 rands to 75 people from the South. Each person in the North gets 32,000 rands while each person in the South gets 2,666 rands. That means in the North they get 12 times more than people in the South. Do you see how big the gap is? The South serves as a source for raw materials to the North, eager to acquire their own independent resource bases, subjected large portions of the global South to direct colonial rule between 1850 and 1914. As nations become economically developed, they may become part of the North, regardless of geographic location, while any other nations which do not qualify for developed status are in effect deemed to be part of the South, also regardless of geographical location. Let's now look at unequal standards of living. The United Nations seeks to reduce poverty through its Millennium Development Goals. The UN uses the Human Development Index to describe the quality or standard of living using 3 indicators, which are life expectancy, education, and per capita income. Kayleen will now give us the difference between the North and the South. Over to you, Kayleen.
Thank you, Viola. Good day, grade 12s. We will compare the North and South using the following: standards of living, globalization, inequalities, environment, sustainable development, and just some other miscellaneous differences. Per capita GDP is high in the North and low in the South. Per capita income is when total income in a country is divided by the number of people in that country. If the figure is low, then it indicates low living standards. Life expectancy is higher in the North than it is in the South. What do you think contributes to low life expectancy in the South? To answer that question, I'll give you a very recent example that happened in Hamansko, Pretoria. There was a cholera outbreak a few weeks ago which claimed lives of some individuals.